get inside the Taman Impian Jaya ANCOL, which located at North Jakarta, and we're gonna see the birds here. There's this place called JBL, Jakarta Bird Land, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. The light is not good, but yeah, there is a lot of yacht here, and we got a beach. Okay, it's a boat. There's a lot of boat here, and there's a beach. Oh my god. Jakarta Bird Land, we're coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are heading to the Jakarta Bird Land right there. Who's excited? Yeah.
Look at him. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we're at Jakarta Bird Land.
I'm gonna be there.
Oh, it's so hot.
So, as you can tell from the name, we're gonna see birds.
Actually, this is my first time here, so I was super
Really?
excited for it.
Thank you, Ma. Ooh. Bird. Damn. So this is a glass door. Ooh, so there is a fountain. I mean waterfall. It looks kind of cute. But we're walking through.
Tita!
Hi! We're heading down because
We're heading down?
about to watch the mini show. I don't know what the mini show is gonna be about, but I'm pretty sure it's about birds. Oh my god! It was just literally fly right there from down there. Raymond!
Can you say something?
Hi! You are so pretty. I hope you know that. Oh my god, an icon, period. Someone's taking a bath. Okay. Okay, just drinking and chilling. Love the eye look. Damn. Where do you learn to make up?
Eyeliner? Snatch.
Okay, snatch. Real life experience. Feeding the bird. We gotta see the waterfall.
Look at the waterfall. Satu, dua, tiga.
Getting intimate with the birds. So we are at the beach. So excited, we're about to go there with the bridge and let's see the view from there.
This is a new beach.
It's not, it's definitely not, but we saw a little kid without anything to wear, so yeah. The wind is going strong. There's a ship right there, which is really cool. We're not gonna go there.
Okay, right now we are at the Love Bridge.
Yeah, this is called Love Bridge, but I'm not with the Love one, so yeah.
So actually,
At the art market, Pasar Seni, and this used to be so full with. Actually, there's a lot of like paintings,
now
like
it's
crafts,
city.
but it's still empty. It's kind of like
It's kind of
empty.
spooky here. Not gonna
It
lie.
does.
Right?
Maybe because we were here at this particular time, but like it's kind of like
It's
gloomy.
freaking Saturday.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be short.
And there's a stage